Portfolio pieces in 5 levels of depth. How to build a portfolio that employers care about in 2025. Hey y'all, my name is John. I have a PhD in economics where I studied employer preferences, and I also have over 10 years of experience in tech. You used to just be able to build a website, and doing that was difficult enough that getting something working would impress employers, get you a job at the entry level. That's no longer the case. Now with AI tools, you can build 3 decent looking working apps inside of a single day. So getting something that works is no longer impressive. You need to actually go beyond that. That's why these 5 levels of depth matter. Let's get into it. Level 1, a vanilla application, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This will be a great learning tool for you so that you can start to see those fundamentals that are still important, although this won't be particularly impressive to employers. You're gonna wanna go beyond this for your capstone in your portfolio. Level 2 is a framework-based application. And here employers will start to take note because these are the tools that corporations use to build websites. You might start with Django or Create Next App, some sort of standard framework. Stage 3 is a database. This is a great differentiator for you because now you are no longer a front-end developer, you are a full-stack developer. This will put you at a competitive advantage in the job market where you will be able to execute many tasks on the job that front-end developers can't do if they are not familiar with how to work with a database. This also sets you up for steps 4 and 5. Step 4 is to include AI. This is all the rage today. If you can get to this stage, you're gonna have a high level of confidence that you can swiftly get an interview. Now, passing the interview is its own skill set, distinct from the ability to build real projects, but you'll at least be able to land those interviews if you have AI in your application. There are 2 ways to use AI in your application. One is you could create a ChatGPT wrapper. Now, this is getting a bad rap on social media. Some people will say a ChatGPT wrapper is not impressive. They might say this on social media, but the truth is employers do care about this, and employers will still think it's interesting even if you simply have a AI integration to a language model. That's still interesting to them. That's one way to do this. The other way is you can leverage your database, and now you can actually train on your own data. That will set you apart even to the ChatGPT wrapper. So both of these are really nice additions to your portfolio. But yes, if you do want to pick one way, it's true that being able to train on your own proprietary data is a power move, basically. Item 5 is that you actually have users. So you have all of these features. You have a database. You have all of these features available to users, but do users actually use them? This is where actually building a community comes in. And in particular, if you can register double-digit user count, then mention that in the interview. That's an impressive metric. Here you'll start to note that acquiring users leads you to want to become a bit of a content creator, and it highlights the importance of community and social networking. This is actually a win-win for you because social networking is going to help you on the job search anyway, acquiring interviews and referrals and so forth. So don't fear step 5. This is actually really good development, and it will scale whether you're early career or going up to senior plus. Social skills, soft skills only get more important. So really lean into that and definitely highlight it on your resume and at interview time if this is a step that you get to. Overall in your portfolio, I'd like you to have 3 pieces, and one of those pieces needs to be level 3 or higher. That's my recommendation. Thanks for following. Let me know if you have any questions and follow for more.